Hello, welcome to another clean-up video. Obviously I haven't chosen the best place to start the video because there are lots of loud lorries. Alas, I'm here. I have already cleaned up a little bit, but I've decided that I'm also going to clear up all the mulch that's on the side of this path. I think a road sweep has done it recently, but there's still loads of mulch here, so I'm going to give that a good clean. And for clarification, for this year I will be doing videos like this instead of cleaning up at the end of each video, because I believe I can get more done like this. So for this year I'm going to see how many wheelbarrows I can do doing dedicated videos instead of doing them at the end of videos, and we'll compare to last year. Anyway, I'm going to get on with this. Getting there. I don't know how much other people really care about this, but it was bugging me, especially considering there's a building in front of me that needs this path to be accessible. So, and if you wondered where I was going to dump it all, it's here. Well, after 5 and a bit wheelbarrows, we've done this section. It does need like a good jet wash and brush. Didn't think of bringing a brush, but there was thick layers of mud. You can see it on the wall. I didn't realise how bad it was. It's taken me over an hour, and there's more on this pavement, but I don't think my shoulder can cope with it, so we're just going to leave it like this for now. But I think that's a lot better, it's a lot cleaner. And if the road sweep does come on the road again, on the pavement, then it should clean it off. So I just had a drink and I was starting to proceed onto the Dale, to do Ashwood Dale, mainly on the road first. But there's 2 bags here. I don't know if there's someone else has cleaned up or whatever, but I'll take them with me and I'll put them in a council bin along with the rest of the stuff I pick up. Whoops. I'm not getting that store car. It's still at Artois can because it's very much in the river. Oh, there's loads of stuff down here. I don't get why this road is always so bad. I think people definitely chuck it out the car window. I don't know why. What goes through your head when you do that? Probably nothing, actually. think even with the 2 bags that were left, I think we've got a full wheelbarrow in there. So I'm going to clear it out. Well, I tried clearing the rubbish at the bottom of Victoria Park Road, but that bin is almost full. And I thought that there was a bin in this little park. I'm wrong, but there's rubbish in it, so let's see how much I can clear without my barrow just overflowing. Unfortunately, the car park next to that little park is chock of rubbish. I don't know how much I can actually do about it. Might be one to add to the list for a different time that I go around. It's awful rubbish. Had to make my way into Ashwood to clear the barrow. Look at it. I'm glad it's not a windy day, otherwise none of this would be staying on. Well, saying that. Yeah. Nice and per usual chocker. People just sitting on the wall and leaving stuff. Yes, I'm also picking up banana peels because they actually take about 3 months to decay if they're obviously in the right conditions, which they're not. Right, second full barrow about to go in the bin. Just also want to make a note that it is a weekday, so Alliance Environmental are out doing their job. And I think I've seen the same van, or at least 2 different vans, pass me at least 3 times. None of them actually had anything in the back of the van. They weren't clearing bins, or I don't know what they were doing. Very confused. They just seem to be driving around in circles. I'm going to leave it here because my shoulder is in agony, but didn't do as much as I wanted to. It was 2.5 wheelbarrows worth of rubbish, this being the half, and then it was 6 wheelbarrows of dirt and mulch and all sorts from that pavement. It was alright, still did something. I'll just put up the Strava map of where I went today. It's not very exciting, same as usual really. Right, so that's it on this episode. I want to say a special thank you to all our supporters on Ko-fi. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Enjoy the week, whatever it is that you get up to, and until next time, ta-ra.